guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Hemesh and today I'm going to show you my project, which is a fan which turns automatically. So let's get started. This is the fan which turns on automatically when it's hot. So this is a motor connected to the Arduino's motor shield. And this is the LM35 temperature sensor. So I've connected one switch for the motor shield and the other for the Arduino. So I'll show you how it works. When I turn on the switches, now it's very cold over here, so I'm going to turn on a match for it to turn on. So as you can see, it is being turned on. So this is how it works. So this is normal DC motor running off of 3 volts and the Arduino, I've given a 9-volt battery as the power supply. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.